Hey folks, welcome back. Well, it's been a long time since I've done a video, and I've been working on stuff all summer and whatnot. I figured, why aren't I recording this and throwing it on my channel just to see if any of you are interested in what I'm working on. So expect some more footage coming here soon. I've invested a little bit. I got a handheld 3-axis gimbal, and I've got some microphones coming, so hopefully the sound quality will be better than just using my phone mic and whatnot. But in any case, let me show you what I'm working on right now. A couple months ago, I decided to get a new to me truck. I used to have a 2006 Nissan Titan, and it was getting pretty high in kilometers and getting a little rusty. So I picked up this 2013 F150. It's a XLT 5-liter V8 crew cab, and one of the things that I was really adamant about was the 6.5 foot box, which I was able to find. So got a reasonable price on it. The way the markets are nowadays, I'm happy with it. But been doing some work on it. A few things that I've done. I can't remember if I got it locked or not. It's probably locked, but I replaced some seat cushions and covers in the front and a little bit of stuff in the back. I've got some rust to deal with. That'll be in a separate video. Hopefully coming up soon. I'm hoping next weekend I can start on that, but I gotta take the box off to do that. But what I've been working on the last day or two is actually getting this box ready for bed liner. You can kind of see all the strange coloring on it because I've scuffed it all down and went over with some rust converter in a few spots. I don't know if you can see it here, but rust converter and then some primer over anywhere that I scuffed through to metal. And I think it's pretty much ready for the product I'm going to use on it. See it going in a dark garage, but this is what I'm going to be applying. Hopefully I can get it done tonight. We'll see how it goes. Got this kit, as well as, if I can find it, I've got, there it is. Hopefully I gotta do a test on this to see. But I'm gonna try using this sorry about the light, but try using this undercoating spray gun. I'll have to do a test to make sure it works, but yeah, what I need to do, I'll get out in the light again. Before I can do that, what I need to do is mask everything off that I don't want paint. I was going to take the end gate off, but I can't get the backup camera clip loose right now, so it's just going to stay. But I need to mask off anywhere I don't need to have overspray happening. I also need to take this bracket off for a toolbox, which I'll show you in another video. But yeah, I'm going to get this all masked off, wiped down with some wax and grease remover, and we'll see if we can get it sprayed tonight. I'm hoping to get 2 coats on. So hang tight while I get all set up. Alright, so here's what I've decided to use for masking material. Just some good old green tape, some actual general purpose masking paper, and some cheap thin garbage bags that are barely useful for garbage. So what I'm going to do is do all the rails, cover up the end gate, cover up the back window, and just mask everything off where I don't want the stuff. You can also see I put some bolts in anywhere I don't want the threads to get bunged up. And then I'll pull those. That way I don't have to try to chase the threads afterwards. But let's get this all masked up, and I'll show you how it looks once it's masked up, and then we'll figure out the spray gun. Alright, well, I got this all masked off. I'm no professional, but I'm hoping that this will do the trick. Sorry about that. And so I masked it all off, garbage bags in the back, paper, masking tape, and so on. So now I'm ready to mix this stuff up. I got the gun ready to go. I've got the air filter. This regulator is set to around 65 to 70 psi, and the instructions say 58 to 87. As well, you can see 1 liter. And the way this stuff is mixed up, I've never used it before, but it's a 3-to-1. So you use 8 ounces of this. They provide you a cup with 1 bottle of this. And if I mix all that up, that should all fit in the gun. So let's get this mixed up, and maybe I'll set you up once I start spraying, and you can watch along in a fast forward video. Alright, you probably can't hear me because I'm masked up, but I got a batch mixed up. I got the pressure set. Let's hook it up, do a little test on some cardboard, and see how it goes. I'll set you up. Maybe you can see what I'm doing, maybe not, but I don't really have a place to set you up. Well, we'll give that a try. I'm not too sure what happened to the audio on that last clip, kind of weird, but it's the next day and I've got this all done. It used all of those cans, and I'd say it turned out pretty good. I mean, there's a few spots that I missed that are going to need to be touched up, and there's a few spots where it looks drier than the rest, but in the end, I own a truck because I need a truck to do truck stuff. This is no status symbol or anything like that. This truck gets used, so I'm happy with how it turned out. I did get some couple of cans of the Raptor Liner in a rattle can to fix a few spots that I missed, like, I don't know if you can see it, under the rails and that sort of thing, but overall it turned out pretty good. I think I'm happy. It's been a day. It's set up pretty good. Definitely, I don't think I'd recommend using that gun I got. I think I should have probably picked up the actual Raptor gun. That might have made it turn out a little better, but regardless, looks decent. Hopefully it holds up.